Study shows that businesses with 4.5 Google stars get significantly more website visits and client calls. And in this video, I'm gonna get you more 5-star reviews consistently leveraging the Jobber software. Hello, it's Chanique here, and I help professional cleaners, small cleaning business owners sell more cleaning packages by unlocking any self-sabotaging thinking to truly get the growth in their business they deserve. So if you wanna learn anything sales, marketing, productivity, entrepreneurship, mindset, then be sure to subscribe. And I don't have to bore you on why it's so important to increase your 5-star reviews on Google. Visibility, credibility, trust. You're able to charge higher if they trust you more. So let's get right into how we can set up automatic reviews with Jobber. Let's get into the tutorial. As we spoke about, reviews help you build and protect your online reputation. And with Jobber, you're sending automatic review requests to your preferred customers. So once you've added reviews to your plan, don't worry, click the link in my description. You can try it for free for 14 days. You do have to add the review option so that you can use this tool. So once you've added reviews to your plan, select marketing on the side navigation, then select reviews. In order for you to get set up, you'll need to connect your Google business profile to Jobber. From there, you'll choose the Google account that is associated with your My Business Google profile. Make sure that it is the right email that you're connecting, and you're connecting to an actual business page. From there, you'll get a walkthrough of the product. Your automated review request is sent after a customer pays their invoice. For reoccurring or repeat customer, Jobber won't ask for review again until 6 months have passed from the last request, which is awesome because you forget, you think that they don't want to, but they forget. Okay, so here's a dummy account, and there's a job that's already ready to be invoiced. What you're going to do is you're going to generate the invoice. On the right side of the invoice, you'll see ask for a review. By default, this is set to yes, but you can change it if needed not to. You don't want them to have the option to. Once you've made your selection, you can send off the invoice to your customer like you normally would. When a review request is sent, customers will get a message that thanks them for their business and asks them to leave a review for your business with a direct link to your Google business profile. And because you are able to connect it in Jobber, it goes automatically public. You'll be able to keep tabs on your reviews and ratings from the reviews in your dashboard. You'll be able to see your current rating, total numbers of reviews, total number of review requests sent to your customers, and a list of all your reviews. And as new reviews come in, you will obviously respond to them, signal to your customers and Google that you're active and you're credible and you're trustworthy. Now, a pro tip, these are some of my pro tips when it comes to getting 5-star reviews, getting it efficiently and quickly, is always respond back to each and every one of your reviews. This is going to signal to Google that you're active, you're trustworthy. But when you respond back to your reviews, especially using your business name or the specific cleaning service that you provided and your city surroundings, then you are better to be picked up for your search engine optimization. Those keywords can be picked up while people are searching, or helps Google know where to kind of pinpoint you and place you when people are searching. Personalize the message that's sent. So obviously Jobber is going to have a already made for you craft message. Perfectly fine. But let's say you have a slogan or a specific message. For us, we like to also hint in there, if they did leave a 5-star review, we will incentivize them $10 on their current invoice. So that helps a lot for immediate reviews. As a business coach, I've noticed that many cleaning business owners fear reviews because they focus on the potentials of negative ones. This is the mindset shift I want you to embody. Reviews aren't just feedback, they're opportunities. Positive reviews validate your processes, while construction criticisms highlight blind spots in your business that you can improve. You're here to be the best and most innovative business out there. How could you do that without getting real life feedback? And if you're afraid of it, you're pushing away, at the end of the day, your ultimate growth. So by implementing Jobber's automated system along with these strategies, you are not only collecting reviews, you're creating a continuous and improving loop that will help your business grow exponentially. Don't forget, you can try Jobber completely free for 14 days. If you haven't already, check the link in the description box below and let me know how you love it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in my next one.